we gotta get this truck fixed with the brakes. I couldn't fucking stop. The brakes on this truck, they're not stopping. I just had to honk at a guy, make sure he didn't go on his green light, and it freaking wouldn't stop. I was pumping the brakes, trying to stop, and I don't freaking know. It pissed me off. I even pulled the air brakes, the yellow fucking brakes to try to stop, and the only thing I could do is honk and hoping he wouldn't go. Yeah, I played with it, so I've been dealing with this for a while, and I just thought it would be fine, because I do stop, but sometimes it freaking doesn't stop. Yeah, that's why. 6:30. Okay, I appreciate it. No. Yeah, I just, sometimes it does stop. Like, I'm stopping when I need to, a little bit, but like right now, I ran a red light, and that was it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, are you a scammer? Do you scam people? Do you take people's money? No. Holy freaking shit.